Hello everyone, let's go ahead with our quick daily check-in. Same format as usual, just tell us what you worked on yesterday, what you're planning to do today, and if you're running into any blocker, tell me. First thing first, I'm gonna start with myself. So yesterday, I finally wrapped up the database integration. I managed to connect the user model with our database. So I'm gonna move this integrate with database to done. So uh, I test the registration flow and made sure everything is saving correctly. It took a bit longer because I had to wait for the access credential from IT, but once I got that, I went pretty smoothly. Today, I'm moving on the next task, implement authentication logic. I'll focus on setting up the token with best login system and user session handling. Hopefully, I can get a good chunk for it today. So I'm gonna move this implement authenticate logic to the in progress. Uh, no real blocker at the moment for me, but I might need a coordinate with Jihan later to align on password security. So I have done my daily report. Next, Hakim, what about yours?
Okay. So yes, man. Yesterday I continue working on the login page UI design. I got the desktop version mostly done, from layout, spacing, button stage, and all of that. I also added a visual touch using some illustration to make it more user friendly. Today, I'm going to tackle the mobile layout so it looks good on phones. After that, I want to start linking the from inputs to the front end logic. Basically, capturing user input and prepping it to send to the back end. My blocker yesterday was that I wasn't sure how the login response will be handled from the backend since the API endpoints were not fully set up yet. I'll probably need to sync with you, Yasman, today to clarify that.
Okay, after this daily scrum, let's do a ad hoc meeting to solve this
Mm.
problem, Hakim.
Okay, Yasman, thank you.
Okay. Nice work, Hakim. Just keep it up and make the progress. Next, Jihan, what about yours?
All right, Yasman. So yesterday I didn't really start on a specific task yet, but I helped Yasman a bit with reviewing his database code and double checking the schema. We made sure the password field will be ready for hashing. Today I will begin working on implement password hashing.
So, almost the implement password hashing to the progress, right?
Right.
Okay.
I will be using Bcrypt to hash the password, and I want to make sure we are adding salt properly and storing things securely. I will start with a small test and build it into the registration flow after. As for blockers, not a big one, but I'm still brushing up on the best practice for implementing salt and hash properly. I will probably read some docs first before jumping into full coding. If I get stuck, I will check in with Yasman sign his ahead on the flow.
Okay, good plans. Take your time to get the security right. Better to be careful with passwords. Ping me if you need something, Jan. All right, that's wrap it up. Just summarize. I have finished database integration and moving to the authentication logic. Hakim is continuing with login UI and will start linking it to the frontend logic. And Jan is starting the password hashing today. Is it any problem, anything? Okay.
No,
No.
sir.
Nice work so far. Everyone, let's keep the momentum going and don't forget to sync up if anything gets in the way. Good luck for the day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yasman.
Okay. See you later.